Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the used Toyota Prius or Camry hybrid battery cell or module. It's a second generation. At first, when I was searching on the second generation battery module on eBay, I think it shows about $38.99. So I just keep on searching. Lucky I got this battery, which is only like $25 each module. So I purchased 5 of them for $110, free shipping and plus tax. So the total damage is $119.63 for 5 modules, which is a pretty good deal. So anyway, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. And I got my trusted voltmeter right there to get ready to test it, the voltage. It says 7.8 volt to 8.0 volt. And you don't want to buy any cells that is below 7.7 volt. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I don't have my razor knife with me, so I'm just gonna use a key. I'll double tape that one. Alright, so here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules. Hopefully nothing get damaged. Gotta be careful, okay? So this is a negative right here. There's a marking, and right here is a positive. So let's go ahead and test out the voltage. We need to do it for all 5 of them. And she's on DC. Alright, 7.91 and 7.92 jumping up and down. So this one is good. Negative on the left, 7.91 or 7.92. This one stays at 7.91. And it also stays at 7.91 on this one. And this one stays at 7.91. Okay. Well, the Prius shows P3015 and P3016. Probably 2 of the modules is going bad, so that's why I purchased extra one just in case. You never know. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.